Situated on a corner lot and conveniently located to the Grand Parkway sits 21463 Holly Heights Road, located in the Lantana community. Come on in. We are proud to present this recently built home with over 1,900 square feet that features 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and a 2-car garage. As you enter the home, you are welcomed by tiled floors throughout the first floor living areas. The spacious living room with tall ceilings has tons of natural light coming through the windows and is a great space for entertaining. The large island kitchen with breakfast bar seating is the heart of the home and a chef's dream with granite counters, tiled backsplash, and stainless steel appliances. The dining area, surrounded by windows, has recessed lighting and a glass door leading to the backyard. Just off the kitchen is a mud area and a private half bath. The owner's suite is spacious, while the owner's bath has dual sinks, a tiled shower, and 2 large walk-in closets. The game room is a great spot for family night, and secondary bedrooms have window treatments, carpet, and access to a full bath. The back-covered patio is perfect for family gatherings, and there is plenty of backyard space for kids and pets to play. You'll love the amenities here in Lantana, including playgrounds and a splash pad. Call us today so I can show you why 21463 Holly Heights Road could be your new home.